how to access the power supply and the operation panel. So in the picture you have seen the power supply. This is a small power supply assembly. In order to detach lock, there's a lock on top. Detach the lock, and there are the connectors also routed through this. So gently take off the connectors so that the power supply can be exposed, or it can be removed out of the main body. So this is a power supply and it has a cable, small connector. Just take off the connector so that this is the power supply. It's quite similar power supply like what we use for our computers, laptops. It's a new design, and also there's an interface PCB which connects the cables from one to other. So this PCB is like a connector, just passing the information from one to other. It is easy accessible by removing one screw and take off both the harnesses from the PCBs. Both the harnesses are similar, so you can interchange anywhere. So now let's see how to take off the panel. Sometimes it's required to clean or replace it, the buttons. There are more than 8 locks respectively. So please locate the locks and just disengage as I'm doing in the clip. So once you take off one side, the other side also you can try to gently push so that the entire top cover will come out. But this is required when the top cover, when the control panel is not accessible or it's not showing its replacement. Otherwise this procedure doesn't required at all. So just gently remove all the required locks, then the frame comes. You could see the buttons and the cables and the small display. So once you turn back this unit, you will have a couple of cables which is connected to that. Gently remove those connectors, and this is the entire unit. You can order from Canon if it is required. The entire unit can be replaced. Then there are some flat cables which needs to be removed during the control panel process. Control panel which is connected with the control panel as well. Now the further what we are planning to do, take off the complete scanner unit. So that flat cable is required, and push the lock mechanism towards your right so that it can be disengaged. The scanner unit can be opened freely, and towards your right you have the sticker. Basically both the sides you will have a flat cable that needs to be removed. So as showing in the picture, there is a black sticker, protective material to be removed in order to access this particular right side harness. So I have removed and taken off the harnesses. The similar way the left can be removed. So now both sides harnesses removed. Now we have to take off this scanner assembly from its own position as shown. There are some locking mechanism. You just push the lock with the screwdriver so that it can come off from the place where it positioned. Yeah, if you take off one side towards the right and left hand side is gently, you have to push out and take off. So this is the entire assembly.